How to use or join Expedia affiliate program. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Besnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use or join Expedia affiliate program. Now if you're trying to use the affiliate program, if you're trying to get into it, and you might have searched in the app or website, right, but you won't find it anywhere. Now the reason is you'll have to first go into your browser, and on the browser where you want to head is you want to head into cz.com. So once you head into cz.com, now this is where you'll be able to join the affiliate programs. So here on cz.com, you want to tap on hamburger icon and then you want to log in. You can simply tap on get started. Now you can see the partnerships here if you go ahead, but you want to simply tap on get started and you want to create an account and sign in here. So you can tap on sign up and go ahead and sign up. I'll make a separate video on how you can sign up on cz.com. If you want it, please comment down below. Now once you have signed up here, so you want to choose your language, country, email, password, confirm your password, tap on verify email, confirmation code or link will be sent to your email, you want to confirm it, then you're good to go. Once you are signed up, you want to look in for Expedia and then you want to join the Expedia affiliate program. Now you'll be able to earn up to 6% commission with Expedia for travel bookings that become a completed stay. Bookings and completed stays are batched in daily for the previous day's transactions. No commission is attributed for the booking. Then there are deals and tools, which is 7-day action referral period, weekly newsletters, discounted deals, widgets, hotel product catalog and such. So you can go ahead and look into it. You can sign up here on CZ and then you want to go ahead and look in for Expedia affiliate program and then you can go ahead and sign it up. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.